Here are some tips and tricks to help you with the force sensor. One thing is there's a 10 and a 50 Newton sensor. Make sure you set it to 50 Newtons because you're going to be going over 10. When you slide it across, you're going to get an error message. So you actually need to read the message, and it tells you switch back to 10 or use a sensor setting. Well, I want to use 50, so I'm going to click use a sensor setting. The other thing is the force sensor is very sensitive, similar to the 3 decimal place digital balance. Just the wind moving on it will change it. So we can see here, even though it's just sitting here doing nothing, just moving it around, or it's hanging up or down, that makes a difference because gravity's going this way or that way, and acting on it. So it's very sensitive. So there's a few things we need to do. The first thing is it's not at 0. We want it to be at 0. So just like the digital scales, when you put on a beaker and you want to measure some water, you first put on the beaker, then you press the 0 or the tare button. What we do here, we have the 0 button. And it's a very nice command, or probably on Windows, Control 0. And then it sets it to 0. It will not stay at 0 though, because it's very sensitive. And then I'm going to pull on the slinky like this, and I'm going to get some values, and they're changing. It's hard for my brain to know what it is, so instead of just trying to pick a number, I'm going to start some data recording, and I'll unconnect this so you can see it go down and do that. That is all very small, so I'm going to auto scale and zoom in. So that's the beginning bit. Then it's like me kind of move my hand and going down. So this is bad data. This is bad data. I'm just going to choose good data. And I'm going to go up here to where it says 1, 2, and it's statistics. I'm going to click this, and it's going to tell me the minimum number, the maximum number, and the mean and the median. So it does all the work for me. So I'm going to record the mean, 2.167.